In this video, I wanted to meditate on the idea of joy. Actually, joy is our true nature, and it's the most beautiful worship. In the Bible, it is said, "Make a joyful noise to the Lord, all the earth. Worship the Lord with gladness. Come into his presence with singing." So, how can we be joyful? Does joy come from inside of us, or does it come from outside? I mean, from the circumstances, or people around us, or things that we acquire or we buy, etc. In Quran, it is said, فَبِفَضْلِ اللَّهِ وَبِرَحْمَتِهِ بِذَلِكَ فَلْيَفْرَحُوا. And in English, in the favor of Allah and His mercy, therein let them rejoice. So, as we understand from this verse, joy comes from inside of us, and it comes mainly from the first source, from Allah, that puts His blessings in our souls. And from these blessings, we can discover the joy inside us, rivers of joy and happiness inside us. And once discovered, this joy can be shining on others. So, the more joy we have inside, the more we are able to share it with others.